So I got what I'm calling a butcher box from the Red Bridge Butcher himself. And I'm going to open it and see what all he sent me. This thing weighs like 30 pounds, by the way. And man, these are definitely got practice knobs and stuff. These are definitely love locks from the Lovelock Bridge. These are authentic AF. There's gotta be like 150 locks in here. I'm not going to take them all out. That would be like a half-hour long video. Look at that. Authentic. They're probably broke up. Tabitha and Tim. This is going to be days and days and days, weeks of fun. This is so awesome. I just wanted to share with everybody. So, if the butcher offers up a box, you take it.